and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking What 2024 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 2 to 1. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course deal on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access. If you need help in any class, any assignments, any exam, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and I will do for you with A plus grade. I am also handling other student courses like MATLAB Accounting, MATLAB Finance, MATLAB Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online classes. So today our project is What 2024 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 2 to 1. We will click on Start File. File will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our PC download folder and we will open our Word file. So step to complete this project, mark the step as checked when you complete them. Open the insurance questionnaire. Two documents start file. If the document open in protected view, then we will click the enable editing button so you can modify it. So we will go to download folder. We will open our Word file. We will click on enable editing button. So question number 1 is done. Question number 2, the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to show you by instructor and save it. Question number 3, change the margin of the document. Click the page setup launcher to open the page setup dialog box. Layout tab, page setup group. We will go to the layout tab. Okay, in the page setup group, we will click on page setup. Click the page setup. Okay, open the page setup dialog box. Point B, change the left and right margin to 0.75 inches. Open page setup dialog box. In the layout tab, in the page setup group, click on page setup dialog box. Left and right margin to 0.75. Okay. Left and right margin to 0.75. So we will click on OK. So change the left and right margin. I have done this. Click OK to close page setup dialog box. So question number 4, change the theme and themes color of the document. Click the themes button. Design tab, document formatting group. Go to the design tab. In the document formatting group, we will click the themes button. So select the integral from the down list. We will click on the go to the design tab in the document formatting group, click on themes button and we will apply integral theme. So select the integral theme. I have done this point. Point C is that click the color button. Select aspect from the down list. We will click on color button in the design tab. Click on color button. We will select aspect color from the down list. Where is the aspect color? Okay, here is the aspect color. Okay, this is done. So question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this project right now. Question number 5 is here. Change the font size, paragraph spacing and line spacing of the entire document. Press Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. Ctrl plus A to select the entire document. So point A done. Point B, change the font size to 11 point. Change the font size to 11 point. Go to the home tab in the font group. Click on font size arrow. We will select 11 point font size. Point B is done. Point C, click the paragraph launcher to open the paragraph dialog box. Okay, go to the home tab in the paragraph dialog box. We will open the paragraph dialog box. So change the line spacing to single, change the after paragraph spacing to 6 point and click OK. We will select line spacing to single, after paragraph spacing to 6 point. After paragraph spacing to 6 point, then we will click on OK. This is great. So I am going to do question number 6 of this project. Apply style to selected text. Place the insertion point in the first line of text. Place the insertion point in the first line of text. Okay. So point B, click the title style in the style gallery, home type style group. We will go to the home type in the style group and we will click the title style in the style gallery. We will select this and we will select title style in the style gallery. So point C, select the second line of document, please carefully. We will select the second line of document, please carefully. Okay, point. Okay, please carefully to last. Okay, you can see in the question. Point D is that right click the selected text, click style on the mini toolbar and select book title from the style gallery. Okay, book title in the style gallery. So point E is that click the change case button and select uppercase. We will select this and go to the home tab and click on case button and we will select uppercase. So point E is done. Point F is that select applicant instruction and apply heading to style from the style gallery. We will select this applicant's instruction, go to the home tab in the style group, we will apply heading to style in the style gallery. Here is heading to style. So point F is done. Point G is that apply the strong style to 3 word in all caps in the next paragraph. We will select this. Apply the strong style to 3 word in all, none and none in the next, and we will apply strong. We will select none and apply strong style. So we will select again none and we will apply okay. Select insurance application daily disclaimer on the second page of the document and add the heading to style. Select the second page of the document. Okay, insurance application disclaimer. We will select this and on the second page of the document add the and apply the heading to style. We will go to the home tab and we will apply heading to style in the style gallery. So question number 7, I have done question number 6. Question number 7, modify an existing style. Right click the heading to style in the style gallery and select modify. The modify style dialog box opens. We will right click on heading to style, click on modify button. So modify dialog box open. Point B is that change the font size to 12 point in the formatting area. Okay, we will go to the formatting area, font style arrow, font size arrow. We will apply 12 font size. So click the format button on the bottom left corner and select paragraph. The paragraph dialog box opens. We will click on the format button in the left bottom and paragraph dialog box open. So point C is done. Point D, change the left and right indent to 0. left and right indent to 0. So point E is that click OK to close the paragraph dialog box. So point F is that click the only in this document radio button if it is not already selected to apply the style change to only this document. We will click on this checkbox only in this document and click on OK button. Click OK to close. Question number 8. Add borders and shading to select text. Select the first 3 pages below insurance application delimiter. Disclaimer on the second page. Slide 3 paragraph. So point B, click the border drop down arrow and select border and shading to open the border and shading dialog box. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group, click on border button, border and shading. Point B is done. Point C is that select the custom in the setting area. Custom in the setting area. So point D is that select the solid line border in the style area. So point E is that click the color drop down list and select fifth color in the first row in the theme color. Okay, fifth color in the click on color and fifth color in the first theme color. So click the width drop down list and select 1 point. Width drop down list and select 1 point. And then click left and right borders button in the preview area. Left and right in the preview area. So select paragraph in the apply to area if necessary. Okay. Click the option button to open the border and shading option dialog box. Okay. So point G is that change the left and right setting 5 point and click OK to close the border and shading option dialog box. Left to 5 point. Click OK to click the shading. Click the fill drop list. We will click OK. So we will click shading. Click the fill drop list. And fifth color in the second row of the theme color. Fifth color in the second row of theme color. Click on OK. You can see I have done this question so well. I have done 8 question of this project in my video for remaining question, and if you want to deal for this complete MC Grahil Seminar course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. And other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and MyLab Management, Business classes, Math classes, Calculus 1, Calculus 2, and many more online classes. If you need help in any class, you can contact me and I will handle your complete class, your exam, your assignments, your cumulative assignment, your quizzes, your simulations, each and everything I will handle for you with A+ grade, your all homework. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.